Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, one is looking at a crucial component for keeping the T40 agricultural drone in optimal flying condition, the replacement carbon fiber nylon propellers. Specifically, these are the upper paddles, designated 5413U, available in both CW and CCW rotations, and the lower paddles, 5415L, also in CW and CCW. These are designed as direct replacements for worn, damaged, or old propellers on the T40 model. One of the immediate benefits noted is the lightweight nature of these paddles. For a drone, especially one carrying significant payloads like the T40, every gram matters. Lighter propellers contribute to better flight efficiency, potentially extending flight time and reducing strain on the motors. This lightweight construction, combined with the carbon fiber nylon material, suggests a balance between reduced weight and necessary durability for the demanding environment these drones operate in. Users will also appreciate the ease of assembly and disassembly. Propellers are consumable parts, prone to damage from various factors in the field. Being able to quickly and easily swap out a damaged paddle is essential for minimizing downtime and getting the drone back to work swiftly. The design appears to facilitate this process, which is a significant advantage for operators who need reliable and easily maintainable equipment. Furthermore, the emphasis on more assured quality is vital. Propellers are fundamental to flight stability and safety. A poorly manufactured propeller can lead to excessive vibration, reduced performance, or even catastrophic failure. Knowing that these replacements are intended to meet a certain standard provides confidence to the user that they are installing a reliable part that will perform as expected and maintain the drone's operational integrity. This quality assurance is particularly important for precision tasks like agricultural spraying. The primary purpose of these paddles is, of course, the replacement of bad or old ones. Over time, even without significant impacts, propellers can suffer from wear and tear, minor nicks, or fatigue, which can degrade performance and efficiency. Having readily available, high-quality replacements like these ensures that the T40 can always fly with fresh, optimally performing blades. This is not just about fixing damage, but also about maintaining peak operational efficiency and safety throughout the drone's lifespan. It is crucial, as highlighted, to choose the correct paddle according to the specific model and position. The T40 uses different upper and lower paddles, and each position requires either a CW or CCW rotating propeller, ensuring one selects the correct 5413U upper or 5415L lower paddle with the appropriate rotation direction, CW or CCW, is paramount for proper installation and safe flight. Installing the wrong propeller can prevent the drone from flying correctly or at all. Therefore, careful selection based on the drone's requirements is a necessary step before purchase and installation. These replacement paddles offer a practical and seemingly high-quality solution for maintaining the flight performance and reliability of the T40 drone, ensuring it remains a productive tool for its intended applications.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.